Guys, good morning. Do not mind my hair. Had to take Skylar to her dance class. I literally just took off the scarf and yeah. You guys heard the thing about my school. I kind of briefly told you guys how the teacher said that I plagiarized on the final paper and gave me a complete 0. They didn't give me any options of fixing the paper. I did do a academic grade appeal. They are not done looking over it, so they suggest that I just retake the class and it will still be in investigation. And if after everything gets looked at, they decide that it was all kind of unnecessary, then they will just only charge me for one course, one time for the course. But right now I'm getting charged for this class twice. So it was just a little irritating. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I will be retaking that class. Yeah. And I'll be in that class for another 5 weeks redoing it. And I'm just a little discouraged and irritated because I did try my hardest in that class, in all my classes. This was my last 5-week course and this is how it ended. So I'll be back in school on top of working now and homeschooling Naya and, you know, the other kids being in school. And it's just like, but it is what it is. I know that God does not put more on us than we can bear. So I can bear everything I'm getting right now. And that's how I have to look at it and know that this is just gonna be a real blessing at the end once I do get this degree, because it's like putting me through hell in high waters right now to get it. So just trying to stay positive in that. Penny, I told you guys before about her not walking and things like that. Well, she had her well checkup, 1-year well checkup, and now they want me to see a developmental specialist for her. So that was a little discouraging. Just keep little Penny in you guys' prayers, thoughts. Send up positive energy for her. She starts walking. Before I had to fill out the evaluation paper, so I filled out all the paperwork and now I have to mail it in, and then they should be contacting me within 2 weeks of them receiving that evaluation paper, and then her doctor wants to see her again in 3 months. So just guys, put up positive vibes that she does start walking, she does start showing interest in walking before all this stuff has to happen. Other than that, she is developing at 100% in all other areas. We never want anything to be wrong with our kids. It's just kind of a little scary right now, you know? So just keep her in you guys' thoughts and prayers. And yeah, that's been kind of going on. I've been dealing with that. You know, I'm working now. I'm loving it. I have the best class ever, guys. I promise you, like, my class is so good. Like, I don't think there is a such thing as a bad kid. There's just some kids who need more attention than others. But like, even the kids I do have that need more attention, like, I can get through to them. They do listen, and I just am so appreciative and thankful that I have a good classroom. So no more sub. They did hire me on. It's a true blessing. I am so just thankful. So, you know, that was one thing that did keep me knowing that things are working out in our favor and that things are going well, is because, I mean, I got that job with it, and with becoming like an actual employee, I got a raise, and it's just a blessing. This was all within, what, 2 months? So I am just so grateful for that. Going back to work after 7 years has gone so smoothly. The transition has been so smoothly. The kids understanding and jumping on board has gone so smoothly. Till it's just like, I know it was the right choice. I know it was the right decision because everything just fell into place. But with working now, I don't have as much time for the fam bam, you guys. So I'm trying to just get a schedule. That's our plan this year. We want to grow this channel in all aspects. Growth is our goal for this channel. We want to have growth in the business aspect of this channel, growth in the numbers of this channel, growth in the amount of videos, the quality of the videos, the editing of the videos, just growth in everything. And we are so thankful, happy to have you guys be with us on this journey of growth, because that is the key word. And just a little bit of word of encouragement to you guys too that are out there. Let growth be your word for the next year and utilize it in all aspects of your life to grow. Okay, so that can mean anything in, you know, your positivity, in your family, in your finances, anything. Just growth and positivity. So that is what we are striving for. I am just happy that motivation is coming back to me, that eagerness is coming back to me, that joy is coming back to me. And I was like, I gotta pick up this camera and talk to my fam. So that is what I did, and I'm waiting. Skylar is in her dance class right now. You guys know that's a private lesson, so I'm not able to sit in. So I figured I'll just sit in the car and then talk to you guys and catch you guys up and let you know what is going on. Just keep us in your prayers. Just keep us uplifted in your thoughts. I hope that you guys are having a very positive and productive day, and if it's not going that well right now, I hope and pray that it starts to go that way and changes and shifts to the better. I am going to sit here and now enjoy some quietness because it's just me sitting in the car. I kind of am starting to enjoy these moments of just sitting in the car while Skylar is in her dance class and the other girls are at home with Derek, because it's a little mommy me time. So that is what I am about to do right now and enjoy it. And I will show you guys Skylar when she comes out of her dance class. Look who I got. Say hi.
Hi.
How was dance class? Good. It was good? What'd you do?
I don't know.
See, every day that's what she says. Watch. What'd you do, Sky?
I don't know.
I don't know. We're paying all this money for her to get in the car and say, what'd you do?
I don't know.
See? She's eating her rice cake. Did you have a fun time though? Yeah? Alright, you ready to go home see your sisters? Alright. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video on Wednesday. Bye!